Whoosh! Crash! What was that sound? Ben, did you break something? No, I did not break anything. She is coming. She will know everything now. Ben, the window is broken. Glass is on the floor. Good morning, everyone. Did you sleep well? I hope so. Today, we have a very special story for you all. It is about my brother Ben. Ben is 8 years old. Ben is funny. He loves to play ball inside the house. But today, Ben made a big mistake. And then he hid the truth. Hide means to keep something secret from other people. Truth means saying exactly what really happened. It is very important. This is a story about honesty. Honesty means always telling the truth. Let us begin. I hope you enjoy this story today. Good morning, Ben. You are very quiet this morning. Good morning, Emily. I am just sitting here. That is all. Are you okay? Your face looks worried and a little strange.
Good morning, my children. It is a beautiful and sunny day outside.
Good morning, Mom. Ben looks a little strange and quiet today.
Ben, are you okay, my dear sweet boy?
Yes, Mom. I am perfectly fine. Do not worry. Now, let me tell you what happened earlier this morning. I want to practice my kick right now. Mom and Dad are in the kitchen. Perfect timing. Just one small kick. Nothing bad will happen today. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The window is broken! This is very, very bad. Nobody saw me. What should I do right now? I feel very scared. My whole body is shaking. Nobody will know it was me. I will hide this truth. And that is what happened. Ben was scared. He hid the truth. But hiding the truth always makes things worse. Not better. Always worse. Worse means more bad than before. Remember that important word today.
Oh. This window is broken. There is glass on the floor.
Emma, what happened here? How did this break?
I do not know, Michael. I just found it broken right now.
This did not break by itself. Someone broke this window.
Ben. Emily. Do you know how this window got broken today?
No, Dad. I was in my room reading my book. I do not know anything, Dad.
Are you sure, Ben? Think carefully before answering me, son.
Yes. I am sure. I really do not know.
Okay. I believe you for now. We will talk later, son.
I lied. I looked at Dad and I lied. I feel so heavy inside. This does not feel good at all. When we lie, we feel heavy inside. Heavy means a sad and uncomfortable feeling. That heavy feeling lives in your heart. until you tell the truth. Wait, what is this hard thing under here? This is Ben's ball. His favorite red ball. Ben. Huh? Emily. Please. Please do not say anything to Mom now. Ben. You broke the window with this ball today, right? I did not mean to break it at all. I know you did not mean it. But you lied to Dad. I was so scared, Emily. I thought Dad would be very angry. Dad will feel more sad about your lie than the window. Do you really think so? Are you absolutely sure about that? Okay, I need to go tell Mom and Dad the truth. I am scared. But I will do it. I will go now. Ben felt scared, but brave at the same time.
Brave means doing the right thing, even when you feel afraid inside. Ben was brave.
Mom. Dad, I need to tell you something very important now.
Of course, Ben. Come sit with us right here, sweetheart.
I broke the window. I was kicking my ball inside. I was scared. So I hid my ball, and I lied to you. I am very sorry, Dad. I am so sorry, Mom.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you for telling us the truth today.
You are not angry? I thought you would be very angry with me.
I am a little sad about the window. Yes, that is true. But I am much more happy that you told us the honest truth today.
I feel much better now. The heavy feeling is completely gone.
That heavy feeling always goes away when we tell the truth. Always.
Next time, come to us right away. We will solve it together.
Yes, Mom. I promise. I will always tell the truth. Always. Look, everyone. Dad is fixing the broken window now. Ben is helping him. I want to help fix what I broke today, Dad.
Good boy, Ben. This is exactly the right thing to do.
My brave and honest children. I feel so happy right now. See? You told the truth. And everything is okay now. Much better. You were right, Emily. Truth always feels better. Much better in the end.
And that is the end of Ben and the broken window story. Truth means saying exactly what really happened. Always tell the truth. Honest means always telling the truth to the people you love and trust. Brave means doing the right thing, even when you feel scared inside. Heavy means that sad, uncomfortable feeling we get when we do something wrong. Hide means to keep something secret. We should never hide the truth from family. Worse means more bad than before. Lying always makes things worse. Remember that. Thank you everyone for joining us today for this peaceful English story. I hope you practiced your listening and learned some new words today with us. Remember Pa, just like Ben learned Beau, truth is always the best and bravest choice. Please like the video and subscribe and join us again for more peaceful English stories.
See you next time, everyone. Goodbye. Stay honest, stay brave, stay kind always.